Hi, welcome again. In this section, we will see how to work with the branches. So let us start with the practical work. First, let us see how to create branches and commit from the newly created branches. Now let us see the git log history using the command git log -- one line. In order to see the number of branches in our Git repository, we can use the command git branch. Here we can see only one branch in our Git repository. To create a branch, we need to type git branch and then the name of the branch. Say for example, developer team 1. Now to check the branches in our working directory or project, use the command git branch. Now we have two branches in our Git repository, and the star in front of the branch indicates that currently we are working on the main branch. And also, if you observe the color of the branch currently we are working on, it is green. To switch to a newly created branch, we need to use the command git checkout and then the branch name. Now if we use the command git branch, we can see currently we are on the branch developer team 1. The star in front of the branch also is an indication that the head is pointing to the branch we are working on. If we want to check whether the head is pointing to the newly created branch or not, let us use the command git log -- one line. Here we can see that the head is pointing to the developer team 1. So now let us make some changes to our Git repository. So here I would like to edit the example1 file with the print statement. Added this line from developer team 1 for the first time. Let us check the late status. Now let us add and commit the changes from the new branch simultaneously. Now if we check the log history using git log -- one line, we can see the changes and the commit made from the newly created branch developer team 1. Now if we check the log history on the master branch, the changes made from the newly created branch will not appear. Let us see it by switching to the master branch using the command git checkout main. Here you can see the last commit won't appear, which has been created from the new branch developer team 1. Now let us see another way to create a branch. Here, to create and switch to the newly created branch, immediately we need to use the command git checkout -b means a branch and then the branch name. Say for example developer team 2. Now if we check the number of branches using git branch, here we can see the total branches, and currently we are on the branch developer team 2. In order to delete a branch from the Git repository, we need to use the command git branch dash capital D for delete and then the branch name. Here, one thing we need to remember about the branches is that we cannot delete the branch we are currently working on. Suppose if we try to delete the branch currently we are working on, that is developer team 2, we cannot delete. So we got an error saying that cannot delete branch, but we can delete the branches which are not active. So let us delete the branch 1, developer team 1. The developer team 1 branch has been deleted successfully because it was not an active branch. Now let us check the number of branches using the command git branch. So here currently we have 2 branches and currently we are on the developer team 2. So this is all about how to create a branch and work with the newly created branches. Let us see more about the branches in this section. And for that, let us meet in the next lesson.